Looking to level up your gaming setup without breaking the bank? Meet the RX250 Ultimate Gaming Bundle, a complete all-in-one kit designed for console and PC gamers alike. Let's dive into what makes this the perfect upgrade for your battle station. The RX250 bundle has everything you need: a responsive gaming keyboard, a precision mouse, an immersive headset, and a durable mousepad. Designed for seamless compatibility, it works flawlessly with PS5, PlayStation 4, Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, Steam Deck, ROG Ally laptops, desktops, Windows 7 Plus, and even Mac. Whether you're a gamer or a professional, this kit delivers reliable performance across multiple platforms. First up, the RX250 K gaming keyboard. This is a full-size 104-key wired membrane keyboard, built for both gaming and productivity. With 19-key rollover, anti-ghosting, and plug-and-play compatibility, it's ready for action right out of the box. Customize your RGB backlighting with multiple modes and enjoy ergonomic comfort with foldable anti-slip feet. Built to last, it's rated for 8 million keystrokes and even features spill-resistant drainage for added durability. Mouse and mousepad. Next, the RX250 M gaming mouse. Weighing just 90 grams, this ambidextrous design works perfectly for both left and right-handed gamers. It comes with 4 adjustable DPI levels: 1200, 1600, 2400, and 3200, allowing you to switch sensitivity on the fly with a single DPI button. Each switch is rated for up to 1 million clicks, ensuring long-lasting durability, while the auto-rotating RGB lighting adds vibrant flair to your desk. Paired with the included RX250 mousepad, featuring a high-density cloth surface and anti-skid rubber base, you'll get smooth, precise movements every time. Headset. Finally, the RX250 H stereo gaming headset. With deep bass and crisp highs, it delivers an immersive audio experience for both gaming and streaming. The lightweight aluminum frame and suspended headband provide long-lasting comfort, while the soft cushioned ear cups ensure noise isolation during intense sessions. The foldable microphone with 120-degree rotation reduces background noise for clear team communication and flips up when not in use. Plus, the inline volume controls give you quick adjustments on the fly. About Orzly. This bundle comes from Orzly, a London-based technology accessories brand known for premium design and attention to detail. Every product is crafted with gamers in mind, offering not just performance but also a thoughtful unboxing experience, making it a perfect gift for yourself or the gamer in your life. And to top it off, Orzly backs the RX250 with a 1-year replacement warranty. So, if you're ready to transform your gaming setup with a complete package, the Orzly RX250 Ultimate Gaming Bundle has you covered. Keyboard, mouse, headset, and mousepad all in one box, designed for every platform. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gaming gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which part of this bundle are you most excited to try out.